hello, wonderful people. Ayan, this is your wonderful wanderer sa inyong pong Venice Travel Vlog na magpapakita po tayo ngayon ng isang unboxing. So, kumusta po kayong lahat? At kung kayo po ay hindi pa nakaka-subscribe sa ating channel, please do hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up and the bell all para every time po na gagawa ako ng isang video at mag-upload ako, malalaman niyo po agad yan. So sa lahat ng aking subscriber at sa lahat ng aking mga friends na sumusuporta sa inyong lingkod, I would like to thank you all. And this one I would like to share again kasi because my laptop is always getting overheat because of playing. So I decided to buy one. What do you call this? ErgoStand. It is something that will cool the battery of the laptop. So let's start. Let's open this up. Okay. So I just received it. So handa tayo. Meron tayong counter. Ayan, charan! So let's start. I'm so excited. This is the moment. Ayan, masipingar ako Singing-singing pa. So everybody. Yep. And let's do the unboxing of my ErgoStand. Saan ba yung naka-prompt dyan? This is it. Magbukas ka. Oh, just today. Just today. Just today. Where is the in between? It's really too tight. Let's just open this on the side. Ayan. Yun talaga. I can't wait to open it up. So I just have to cut it up. Yep. Let's see what it is. What does this look like? Yeah. Oh. Can I just open it here? So this will help my laptop to last longer because it will cool down. Ouch! Oh my god! Bali at ang aking mga cocoa. Mga cocoa. This is how it looks. The ErgoStand. Oh, this one is nice. Oh, I like it. All the while, I thought it's just a cooling pad. But I learned when I received it that it has a stand. So where do I plug it? Oh, there is the USB. They have two. Why is it two? Two different worlds. 14 centimeter adjustable silent fan. So this one is a silent fan in it. This one is nice. Oh, this one is the stopper. So this one's for you. There it is. There is a stopper. Yeah. This is good. They have the stopper here. And this is my laptop. This is cool. This is like that. Pull this up. So this one is like this. They have it. Maybe I can just there. It's, then where did I plug this? Okay, this is cool. Plug it here. Oh, look at that. There's light. Okay, so this is it, folks, my friends, subscribers, and everybody. So this is the ErgoStand. So if you need to cool down your laptop, then you can just put it on top of this. And I'm really glad that this one is so cheap. It's less than 200 pesos. It's only 199. So if it is in dollars, it is just $4. And your laptop will be safe not to overheat. So this is thumbs up, and I hope this won't break down easily. So this is your wonderful wanderer sharing with you my unboxing of my ErgoStand for my laptop. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button, bell all, and thumbs up. Bye bye. It looks now.